Ja, heb je een lekker koekje. Wauw. Weer een vliegtuig. Die is mooi. Heb je een vliegtuig gekregen? Dan even wennen rijden, hè? Even wennen rijden weer. Dat je dan? Wat is dat? Wat heb je in je handen? Wow. Glijbaan. Het slide. Jaden, kijk eens. Jaden, kom. Hier. Kom maar. Kom maar. Nee? Wat ga je aan doen? Wat ga je doen? Ga je weer naar boven? Wow. Wow. Ja. Yeah. Oei. Oei. Jaden. Oei. Oh. Yo. Voorzichtig, hè? Even zitten. Zitten blijven. Jaden. Hey. Hey, Jaden. Kom op. Deze kant. Wauw. Ja. Kom maar, Jaden, rennen. Kom. 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 Wow, Jaden. Wow.
Hello guys, it's Rembie again. Welcome back to my channel. Say hello, Jaden. Hello. So guys, I will show you guys what I am making. I made a barbecue, but because I don't have a griller, just like what I did the last time, I will put it inside the oven. This is it, guys. No. And then I already put some. So I will continue.
Orange.
Not orange. Yeah, orange. But don't eat it, huh? Yeah. Orange. Are you hungry? So yummy. For sure. Oh. I already cut it in small slices, guys. So it's better for Jaden. There it is, guys. There it is. Yum, yum, yum. I just have to... no, not yet. Not ready. It's not pizza. It's a barbecue. Chicken barbecue. So, guys, we're on our way to Ikea and Media Mart. So, just... Somebody so... Yeah? What? What, Jaden? It's murmuring. You should wear your sunglasses, Jaden, so that it's still so sunny. The sun is so shining so bright.
I always forget to put it in the car.
My lipstick is so red. Velvet. It's velvet matte from Maybelline. And the turbans. I made this turban, guys. I made this one.
Oh, maybe it's low.
Oh wait.
Really crazy.
Maybe it's so. Why is it so loud? It's 3. So guys, how you wish you can see the
Crazy, right?
air balloons.
The shape.
The shapes are different. We are in the highway, so it's a bit noisy. It's really noisy. And the sun is still shining. Look, it's the sun, guys. And there's another one. Just the normal shape of hot air balloon that you will always see, right, baby?
Yeah.
This one.
Normally it's,
but the other one is different. Every afternoon you will always see this.
When it's nice weather.
Yeah, when it's nice weather. Wow, that's crazy. It looks like a car. It looks like it has... Oh, it has a wheel.
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh, it's a car. It's a car. It's a car.
Okay.
It's a car form. Look. Really, it's a car. Look, there's a wheels. Oh, they cannot see it properly.
Me neither.
Because just focus. It's really a car. It's a... Oh, I don't think it's a hot air balloon. Maybe it's a crane.
No, it's a hot air balloon.
Yeah, because it's so high.
They have so many shapes.
Yeah, it's really like, it's really a car, baby. It's so nice.
But there's one day a year, I believe, there's like there's more.
It's a lot. It's not just 3.
There's already 5, 6.
Yeah, a lot.
But one day a year, maybe?
Once a year. No,
Once
one day a year.
Yeah, there will be maybe like 100 at the same time.
Wow.
It's really nice to go there.
Yeah.
It's nearby, it's close to
Now
it.
you are little.
That's good so. Yeah.
Not enough, okay? Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Jump. Wait. Wait.
They're open.
Hey, no. Nice thing about Ikea, guys. So many choices and nice. Oh, nice design. It's so cute.
Not nice price.
Yeah.
We got one?
We got some plates. Don't mind my jacket, guys. But it's peach, baby. It should be like green or blue for Jordan. Look at this, baby. Look at this. I love this color. 30.
I like this color.
Wow, one set already.
I like this color.
Baby, look at that.
Look at this.
Oh, I like this one.
This one.
You got that one, I will get mine. So many choices. How much?
I don't know.
6. It's nice. Wow, the color, baby, it's so nice. The gray. More, yeah, much expensive.
It's nicer. It's 50 cents more.
Yeah.
But it's really much nicer.
Wow, I love this one, baby. For lumpias.
Okay, get one?
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Three.
For fruits. For fruits.
No, I have no more cheaper than this.
Look for the fruits.
Yeah, but social, okay. Guys, I will get this one also for my lumpias. Just for occasions. Wow. Yeah, we also need a nice bowl, but later.
Yeah.
Big bowl rather. We have some bowls at home, but not that nice. ancient age. We call that 555. Or, oh wow, we're saying wow. Wow, what is this?
This is nice for fruits.
Wow, it's so nice for fruits.
It's so
How
expensive.
much? Oh my goodness. Not that expensive, but...
Rice.
Oh, yeah. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! It's nice for baking, maybe. Wow.
Hey, what's your honest?
So 18 minutes. Jaden! Oh yeah! Daddy, until now you're not decided.
No, I'm deciding. What about you?
I'm already done. Look, oh I got one.
Oh, this one is nice.
He's looking for a good pillow.
This one is nice.
You should look for a pillow that you can easily identify. Because for sure I will only get what I can, you know. Okay. So
You came some thing
I don't. What is it? We're now going to the Media Markt, guys. What's the Media Markt? They're just next to each other. Wow, I love the lights right now, baby.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Doesn't remind you of Philippines because we're always working outside with this.
Dark.
Yeah.
Very dark.
And we're going to internet cafe.
Ikea, it's so big. It's really big.
And then we're going to internet cafe. Remember?
Yeah, always.
Always this.
Yeah. What's that? Jaden? What? Jaden is These are the things we got. Pillows, because we need good pillows. Daddy has a nice pillow. Yay! No, I don't care whatever pillows I have. As long as I am comfortable. Media Markt. That's Media Markt. That's Jaden! Hey, Jaden! Oh wow! Oh wow! Excited. Wait lang! So naughty! Ah! Uy!
Oh, he's so excited.
Ah!
Crazy.
I'm wearing now my jacket, guys, because maybe it's so cold in the Media Markt. Jaden, baby, just bring his jacket.
It's so warm, babe.
It's always so cold in Media Markt. Always. Jaden. Hi, guys. Hi. Jaden. Jaden. Say hi, guys. Daddy, I'm excited. I can't wait for you. So now, guys, we're going to Media Markt. I can vlog a little. Sorry. I can now vlog a little because it's a bit dark and not much people are looking at me. But when inside, I cannot talk at all. So we're now going home, guys, and I got a new tripod that I can just use for daily vlogs, like when we're going outside. So I don't have to keep on holding it anymore. And I don't know how to fold that either. Oh, okay. Because I still don't know how to fold the stroller. I was looking.
But it's also heavy.
Yeah, but it's so good. You can fold it, and we can bring it. We can put it in the back, so somebody can always sit now. So we can bring stroller, and somebody can go with us without worrying that stroller has to be there, so nobody can go with us. Wow, it's late.
Really, it's too late for Jaden.
Jaden, active. I'm a bit hungry.
And we saw rats.
We saw rats, guys. The first rats of City here in the Netherlands.
Not the first ones. But, it's not. I'm not seeing rats every day. It's nice. I like to see. Not in my
There's
own
a
house.
rat in just what is it in the plants in here. There's 2 rats came out and he's so happy.
It's nice to see, but not if it's in your own house, of course. Just outside in nature. Also in Philippines, remember? But that was
Have you seen?
That was not normal. Wow.
Have you seen?
Yeah.
Or there's cockroach. It's cockroach.
No, downstairs at the apartments. There's,
yeah.
Those containers there, right?
Apartments or in the old boarding house?
No, in the new one, the apartments.
Oh.
You slept up, right? Upstairs.
Yeah.
Then downstairs there was like a room with all the containers, all the waste.
Yeah.
That was so big right there.
There's McDonald's there, guys. Well, it's nice to get some.
Oh, and that spider on the wall when you were doing the wash. Do you remember?
I don't.
And when I was there the first time.
Old boarding house?
Yeah, the first time he was doing the
scary
wash.
there.
And then, wow, so...
Everything was there.
Oh, the centipede, what do you call it?
Centipede.
Yeah.
Centipede.
Wow, so big one. In your room, oh no.
Yeah.
And the cockroaches.
Yeah, but everything was there in the old boarding house.
I remember that one cockroach was walking on my back.
Maybe that the delivery van, they're just staying there.
I didn't see. What?
There was so big delivery van. Look.
Oh, trucks.
Truck rather, not a van.
Trucks are only allowed to drive for a certain amount of hours, and then they needed to rest. So maybe it's just sleeping there overnight or something.
So, wow. So, did you fall for them then?
Yeah, but it's, of course, otherwise they will maybe drive 6 or 7 hours straight, and that's delicate for
yeah, of course.
bodies.
They can sleep at their home, no?
Yeah, but they're just themselves for the...
That kind of job.
Yeah.
Oh.
See?
I don't know why it's always not on in this side. Maybe because it's not that well, even in the highway it's not on. Why is it electric? Maybe it will be on later at 10 o'clock.
Maybe.
For sure they already set this up.
Yeah, but the others are on already, see?
I don't know why.
See, the others are on already.
Yeah.
So it can be more often, but maybe there's an error or something. Or they checking if the lights are low.
Yeah. Look at that little boy. Look at his shoes, guys. There's lights. And there's bottle in his mouth.
So he's using 2 hands.
Good job.
Yes.
Ooh, what the lights. Ooh. So we're home, guys. And any moment, Jaden is going upstairs. We're checking the... What is it? We're trying out now the... Maybe there's more plates. You didn't put everything. Now, guys, tell me that Jaden got my eyes. Jaden got this big eyes.
What's this? Dude.
Nose.
Nose?
What? What did you say?
You're so funny. So crazy. You're sitting on my phone.
You're sitting in your lap. Jaden?
Hey, we need to bring him to bed.
That's simple. Let's sleep. Get it. Please.
Okay then.
Come, Jaden. Come, Jaden. Come. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and God bless. We will bring our little boy now to sleep.